Expectations for home and school. Expectations and rules tell children what is expected of them at school or home. Expectations are overarching and across settings. They are for both children and adults. Things like be safe or be kind. Rules are setting specific. Things like quiet voice at circle or walking feet inside. A couple of tips for making your rules. Make sure you have 5 or fewer rules so that they're easy for children to remember. Post your rules with pictures so that children can refer to them. Teach your rules. Make sure you teach them throughout the day and review your rules daily. Make sure you provide children with positive feedback and catch them when they are following the rules. And lastly, it can be helpful to have children help make the rules to increase ownership and buy-in.
So I noticed that at school you guys have some new preschool rules. Do you remember what your preschool rules are? What are your preschool rules?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Yeah, you're still really new in your class. I think they are to be safe and be responsible and be respectful.
It's still on.
And that's the rules, huh?
Huh.
We need some rules for our house so that we all know how to behave at home too. What do you have a rule that we would have at our house?
Be safe.
Be safe. That's a really good one. Should we be safe with?
Toys.
Oh, with toys?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. What else should we be safe with?
But and toys.
With answers?
Yeah, and pens and stuff like that.
So should we just say all of our materials?
Yeah, that we have at our house.
Okay. That would have at our house. I think that's a really great rule to be safe with our toys and materials.
And flowers.
And flowers.
Don't pick flowers.
Okay, don't pick flowers. It would be safe to leave flowers on the plants.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I'd be safe with flowers.
We don't do that at our house.
That's true. We usually let our flowers grow, huh? What's something else that we should probably do? Maybe with each other or with our friends when they come over?
That's be nice and
Ooh. Nice and what?
slow.
Be nice and slow.
And not be not be so easy.
So not get too excited and wild about this. So maybe we can make that say be nice and maybe have like be calm, have calm bodies. If we want, can we have wild bodies when we're outside?
Yeah.
So maybe it'll just be inside that we have calm bodies, huh?
Uh-huh. And outside there's different rules.
That's true. Outside there are different rules. Here's our rule poster that we're going to make for our rules. Here are, should we say Weintraub rules since it's a Weintraub house?
Uh-huh.
Weintraub rules. Okay, first one. Be safe. Toys and now we have some pictures that we can put on. And then 2 is to be nice. And 3 is to have smooth, calm bodies. Okay, glue all around the back. Roll in this corner too, please. Great. Okay, that's probably good. Now, do you remember what this picture is of? Is that one be safe with toys and materials, be nice, or have slow, calm bodies?
Slow on their bodies.
Perfect. You want to put it right here by slow, calm bodies?
Uh-huh.
Right there. And then push, 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 push. All around. Rub, 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 rub. Okay. Now which one do you want to do next?
This one.
Hold it and you can move. We're using teamwork to get this poster made. Try on this side too. Thanks for letting me know. So I can move my finger. Alright, let's turn this one on and see what it is. What is this one?
Be gentle.
This one is...
Be gentle with material.
Yeah, be safe.
Let's look at this
What's that one?
one. Don't know.
Be safe with...
Toys.
That's right. You remember. It's easier for you to remember because you came up with these rules, huh? And they're very similar to your school rules.
Ready?
Okay. Here, I'll hold your glue. You might need 2 fingers. And yeah, turn it around a little bit. There we go. Nice. All right. Now we need to find a spot for your poster so we can put it up.